Nigeria's lawmakers and stakeholders are at loggerheads over proposed amendments to the NLNG Act. Now, the amendment seeks to make the Nigeria Liquefied Natural Gas Company pay 3% of its total annual budget to the Niger Delta Development Commission Fund. Oyeyemi Oke, partner at Ao2 Law, joins us now for a discussion on this and more. Oyeyemi, thank you so much. It's a pleasure to have you.
Thank you very much.
So, looking at what is the bone of contention here, this, of course, that's loggerheads between the House of Reps. Even the petroleum minister says, no, we won't be able to fulfill our promises, previous promises. So I'm thinking, what is the problem here?
I think in order to appreciate the issue, we do a bit of historical review as to how we got here in the first place. In 1989, the NLNG Act was passed. Fast forward to about 2005, there was a dispute between the NDDC and the NLNG as to whether the 3% levy applies. And fast forward to 2011, the Supreme Court decided in favor of the NLNG, and rightfully so, that the levy does not apply. And now in 2016, we see a situation whereby the legislature wants to make an amendment to the bill, to the act. The problem with that is that the bill in itself seeks, amongst other things, to subject the NDDC, the NLNG company, to the 3% levy. But I think there seems to be a problem from the House, because if you look at the provisions of the NLNG Act, especially the second schedule, which guarantees certain assurances to the NLNG, and one of such is that the fiscal terms of the NLNG will not change. And if it would ever change, there has to be an agreement between the NLNG, its shareholders, and the Nigerian government. That has not been done to the best of my knowledge. And if this bill eventually becomes...
To